Hi guys, this is Zia Maliki from Information Technology. In today's video, I want to show you how you can password protect an Excel spreadsheet using the Microsoft Excel application. Now, why would you want to protect your Excel sheet? Maybe you have some sensitive data that you don't want to share with other people. For example, you may have some account information, maybe you have some financial data that you don't want other people to have access to. And that's when you can use the password protection for Excel spreadsheet. Now I want this video to be very short, so why don't we get started? Here I am on my Microsoft Excel spreadsheet, and here I have some important financial information that I don't want other people to have access to. For that reason, we are going to protect this spreadsheet. To do that, let's go to the file menu. Here, as you can see, we are on the info, and here we have different options, and the first one is saying protect workbook. So let's just click on that, and once we click on that, we will see different options in here. One of them is encrypt with password. Require a password to open this workbook. So let's just click on that. Once you click on that, it will ask you to provide a password or to put a password. Here it says encrypt the content of this file, password, and then at the bottom it says caution. If you lose or forget the password, it cannot be recovered. It is advisable to keep a list of the passwords and their corresponding documents names in a safe place. Remember that passwords are case sensitive. So let's just provide a strong and secure password in here. And once you are done, click on OK. After that, it will ask you to confirm the password. And here it says re-enter the password. So I'm going to re-enter the password which I just gave. And once you are done, click on OK. And after I provide the password, it says a password required to open this worksheet. Now let's close out of this worksheet and then reopen this Excel sheet. It's asking me to save the changes, so I will click on save, and then I will save it on the desktop. Once you give the name, just click on save. Now that we are back on our desktop, we will click on this file which we just created, financial information. And as you can see, it is asking me for password. Financial information is protected. It means provide your password. So I will provide my password, and then I will click on OK. And there you go. It opened the spreadsheet for us. So let's say someone break into your computer and they are trying to get the financial information from your computer. They will not be able to open this spreadsheet unless they have the password. They can delete the spreadsheet, but they will not have access to get into this spreadsheet of Microsoft Excel. So this is how you can password protect an Excel spreadsheet using the Microsoft Excel application. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you have learned something from this tutorial, please give it a like and also share with your friends who might need the same type of information. And also, if you are new to my channel, then I suggest you hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, so whenever I upload new videos, you will be the first one to be informed. So till next video, it's goodbye.